Hi guys, Phantom 19 here. I hope everybody's doing well out there. It's been a while. Just have a short video that I want to put out. It's on some floor mats that I had gotten for the 23 Tesla Model Y Performance. Just a before and after look, just to see, how it looks. I'm sure it's gonna look better, and maybe somebody out there want to put the same ones in their car. So I'm just gonna do a video on that. So that's the way they look. I took the carpet mats out that the car came with. That's the passenger side there. There's the driver's side. Just plain carpet. Plain carpet. Show you a picture of the back seats here. Same thing there. Took it out. Just the plain carpet. Took out the carpet mat. And let me get back with you, and I'll show you which mats I decided to go with. So guys, here we are. This is the company I went with, the 3D. They're 3D Maxpider all season floor mats. And yeah, I looked at a lot of them. I went online, I looked at a lot of them, and got a little bit of information on some of them and how good they held up. And these ones seem to be, towards the top. So I went with these. So let me crack it open and we'll see how they look. So that's one of them right there. That would be the driver's side. That's the driver's side right there. Passenger side there. And it also comes with the rear. And that's a 3-piece. There's the bottom. It has this kind of gripping material here, so it grips really well to your carpet. And that would be the rear right there, guys. Okay. So let me get these in there, and we'll see how they look. Hey guys, back with you here, Phantom 19. So that was the before pictures of the inside. Here's the after. There's the 3D logo. That's the way the car mat looks. Here's a rear floor. Fits very nice. I'm very happy with it. And I'll show you the here's the driver's side 3D badge. So guys, that was it. Yeah, I'm happy with the mats. I think they look great. I'll put all the information down on the description there, and maybe you might want to go with these for your Model Y or any other car. And with that said, everybody take care, and I'll see you in the next video.